Hi, welcome to SDN Training. Today we're going to be using our system, the discounts, IDs, and the CSV import-export to manage some sales on a bunch of products. Let's jump right into that. So let's say we wanted to put a sale on our website for, let's say, all of our games. So we've got a bunch of games on the website. We could go in manually and update those games one at a time. To do that, we would go to our shopping cart after we log in the back end. We can go to a product. Let's just do it this way. We can go to a product list. We're going to go to games. And I would say I'm going to start with Bafflegab. And I'm going to assign it a discount type. I'm going to say I'm going to give it my 10% discount. And save it. That's not a bad way to do it, but you can see it'll take a little while to go through everything. I want to show you a couple of reasons for doing discounts and then a way to handle them pretty quickly. So let's look now on the front end, Bafflegab. One thing to show you that's nice here, I'm going to refresh my front end website here, and you'll notice that that 10% discount for Bafflegab is not showing up. That's because the discounts are cached pretty heavily in your web system. So what you need to do is either look at that on a browser that you haven't opened yet. Here, let me just pop up IE here. So we're going to load that page. And you'll see now on this browser that I had Firefox working on originally, and now I jumped to IE, that sale is nicely showing up there. The other nice thing about using a discount for promoting items instead of just reducing their price is that you get this red marked-through price, a sale discount. Okay? So if you are just using one browser, you'll want to shut down your browser and clear your cache and then open it up to see those discounts displayed correctly on the front end of your website. Okay, let's jump back now. So we've got all these products in our games category here that we want to, where are we at? Games. That we want to apply a discount to. So we've got 37 products. I'll show you how to do that nice and quickly using the CSV import tool. First of all, actually, let's do some advanced product discounting here. I'm going to go to my product discount list. And I want to say I'm going to have a 15% discount through this weekend. So the first thing I'll do in my product discount list is create a new discount. Click up here, New. And I'm going to call this 15%. Whoops. So 15%, and I'm going to say it's going to start, let's just say today. What is today? The 7th. I'm going to start it this weekend. Saturday the 12th through Monday the 14th. So we've got a date to start and close of this discount. Actually, I'm going to start it today, or I'm going to start it yesterday so we can see that automatically once we get this tutorial done. It'll run through the 14th and then close automatically. So we save this discount. And the way our system works, that automatically gets displayed in order by its value here, and we need to know the discount ID, this column here. So we're this new discount that I just created, 15%, running through these dates, has a specific ID, and that's ID number 18. So that's key for us assigning that discount to products. Okay, we've created the discount. Let's go to our CSV manager. And I'm just going to quickly export a list of everything in my cart, including headers. System is going to churn that all out here in a second. And I'm going to open that up right in Excel. Okay, here's my Excel spreadsheet. Just going to spread this apart a little bit so we can see that here. Let's say I wanted to just do games. I would just go to my categories. I'm going to go to my data filter. And I'm going to say I want to see just games here. So let me scroll down to games. Okay. Now I've got all my games selected by category path. So I got a bunch of extra information, and I like to export everything just so I can filter it out afterwards quickly. I'll clean out a lot of this information. In fact, let's do that now. I don't need any of this. I just want to go to my discount ID here. So I'm going to delete all these. And this discount ID, remember that was 18. I'm just going to set that to 18. Copy that to all these. I don't need any of these others, and I want to clean these up before I re-import them anyway. So delete those. You notice I'm not affecting the price here at all. So I don't need a bunch of information. I can just, at this point, actually, I can select just these cells. I'm going to copy those, put them into a new sheet here. And now what I've done by doing that is I've only got these 32 rows. I effectively use that filter to isolate everything else. Okay, so let me widen these out just again a little bit here. I don't even need my category path anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that. So now I've just got my product SKU, which I need to sync up between my point of sale system or my CSV here and my website, and I've got my price and I've got my discount ID. Okay, so we'll save that. I'm going to save as CSV, comma delimited. So let's just go to my desktop here. I'm going to create a new temp folder. And we'll just call this sales discounts. Save that. Okay, thanks for the warnings, Excel. And I'm back here on my website where I'm ready to import that discount list. So I'm still in my CSV import functions here. I'm going to leave my delimiter settings as are for Excel, and I'm going to go update existing products. It's a great way to make sure I don't accidentally write in additional products. I'm going to leave my options as they are. Browse down to temp discounts. Open that. Click submit, and I got a quick preview here. My SKU's in the right place, my product price, my discount ID looks good. So I've updated 31 products really quickly. So let's go over here, just look at this list real quickly. Where's my games? There we go. Open a couple here. You can see that I've got that 15% discount applied to the products right there. Cancel out of that. And again, if I go to my games here, cached in, but let's open that up in a new browser. And voila, I've created a bunch of discounts that are going to hold through for 1 week automatically and then expire. Thanks again for joining our tutorial. One of the other things you might want to do when you get done with this discount is go to the home page, let's say, and create a banner that will let people know that that discount is running on through this week only, and you're set to go. Got a sale there on the website. Thanks again, and if we can be of further help, always call us at Specialty Toys Network.